all the empty area, covering up the place, everything for the catcher. And the server, whether they are able to do the service correctly and over the net, and whether they can serve in a different direction, not at the one area only. That's it for the game. Next. Now, Mr. Dario will explain about the checklist.
Apa hanggang bling-bling. Aku ini budget di belakang.
Aku ni sebenarnya di arah kiri arah kiri. Arah kanan sejauh
Aku nak tanya lagi ya. Aku baca salsnya karangan.
bagi jalan mas
Bulan
ni kita ni pakai bulan ni menyambut
dah sampai bulan ni balik ya. Saya je pula.
sediakan
Okay. This is the checklist for the student. So the students will assess there's two different checklists. I just put it in one paper. One student will assess all the 6 of the 6 server and then 6 receiver. Okay, so the server, so the marks is 3 to 1. 3 for you can serve the ball over the net and you can place the ball anywhere. And 2 points can serve over the net, but the ball always stands in the same place. And 1 point cannot serve the ball over the net. And for the receiver, can catch the ball and then can move on different place. Number point 2 moves into place but cannot catch the ball, and number 1 stays mostly in the same place and cannot catch the ball. This checklist goes for the one marking. So he or she gonna mark all the 6 receivers. So the marks that we're gonna get will be just a comparison, so we can compare if one of the students is doing well.
formation.
We have 6. So 6 server, we have 6. The other group, we have 6. So they have to take one. But your checklist is looks like a master sheet. The master sheet is here. The one that this is only for the peer assessment. I mean, so on one paper, we have 6. Yes. Copy assessment. No.
now. Smooth balik. Blend.
Ayan.
Got your point. There is a mistake here. You shouldn't put 6
Yeah, actually, the purpose of that one is I can see if because different students, different evaluation. So just for me to see that maybe one of the students doesn't care just marking in 333. So maybe one student will just see it like maybe this one doesn't. Something like that, like a comparison. So I just put it there.
Kalau ada apa na cuma handle untuk apa? Oh ba, kapten na cuma tulang. Gantong at wala siya. Kejar dia ko ni pala ni lagi sama pala ni.
Online, kumbaga yung
Kalau orang yang pangarap baik lah. Kalau cuma tu decide yang tapi balik dari
ini apa temanya?
lagi sini.
Yang bawah.
Panjang doanya.
Our technical focus is okay, we are separating them to server and receiver. Server will be able to serve the ball over. Sorry, it's over the net onto different positions almost all the time. Right, over the net. For good, you will be able to serve the ball over the net to different positions occasionally. Needs improvement is those who are able to serve only few balls over the net and only one position. For receiver is those who can move around the court without any body contact with the teammate and catch the ball before it reaches the ground. For good, you will be able to move around without any body contact with teammates but unable to catch the ball properly. The last one will be those who those who are not moving around the court and does not catch any ball.
Berdua. Jadi objektif. Kalau kan dan objektif. M sama management sama kan.
And the last two domain is teamwork and behavior. For excellence is very good teamwork and good communication, meaning they communicate well with the teammates. For very good, for the level 2, they only communicate once in a while. The last one will be they do not communicate at all. Behavior, the last one, excellent is good cooperation, able to cooperate with the teammates. The second one, able to cooperate only when instructed. The last one is not cooperating at all. That's it. Thank you. The rubrics.
Guys, please, I want the laptop.
We have two. One is server and one is receiver. Yes. Yes, it is moving around. Yes, but they are not allowed to have any body contact with their teammates.
Alright. Student physics kan.
Kayaknya kan ayo. Kan lagi nih.
Usually the end of the game, we have presentation will be given to the students. First question to the server. In which position did you hit the ball to make it difficult for your opponent to catch it? Second question is what techniques did you apply or use to confuse the opponent? High ball, low ball. Okay. Now interview for catchers. Where did you all position yourself on the court before catching the ball? How did you all react when the ball was served? Did you try to your best to score more points? Maybe it's time for students to ask one by one, so we do this in groups. Okay? So that we can see how well they coordinate with each other. Okay? For the question. Okay, that's all from our group. Now let's go.
Mana gini tekan ada kelat mata.
Let me present the energetic. They were saying the energetic group. The energetic group.
Awalan ni. Bukan yang lain kalah. Satu, dua. Dua kalah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, kami dari Cluster 3. Saya ni lesson plan. Our team volleyball team. And emphasize the students smart play and then objective, able to serve high so that it gives time for the services teams to support opponents. And then the method. The number of students is 28 and then divide into 4 groups. Okay, our teaching is sponge ball and net. Our method of instruction, dynamic warming up. Divide the students into 4 groups and then demonstration and explanation of games and rules. Next is our games activities, question with the students and cooling down. Class competition.
Right. Next one is class allocation. Class allocation is going to be the total number of students, percentage students, divided into 4 groups, which is A, B, C, and D. In a team there should be 7 students.
Oh.
So, group from A will assess group from C, and then group B, group A will be assessed by group C, and group B will be assessed from group D. So, to make it clear again, group A versus group B, assessed by group C and assessed by group D. So, next one.
This is the game. Gamenya macam